That's not good, man.
I wanted to add a little commentary in here because a koala, I wouldn't ever think you'd hit a koala. Kangaroo I can understand because, me just riding along in the evening and whatnot, I'm always having close calls with kangaroos, but here I'll just sort of explain what happened. And so pretty much here, coming in, hit this little gap here, and the koala comes into frame, but right here I'm more focused on gapping this route here, and my sort of focus was on the trail at this point. So as I've landed is when I've seen the koala on the side of the track, and I've slammed my brakes, and initially it was just I was going to pull over, take a photo, and this is where you can see the koala. He has his back turned to me, and this is where he does the kangaroo effect, and he spins around, and right here I thought this was game over. I thought I was going to hit this koala head on with my wheel. Not only was I going to crash, but I was probably going to, have to call the RSPCA for the koala. And luckily he hits the side of the fork here, but sort of where the bit I was a bit concerned about is the main impact was he hit the pedal. But I come back, later in the day, and he was okay, and I did watch him climb up the tree. He climbed up just fine, so koala should be okay. But on the lighter side, I've got some clips here of me actually helping koalas, not hurting them. So hope you enjoy. Peace out.
Whoa! Okay. Okay. Liking it, buddy? Oh, so beautiful. Bet he is thirsty. Hold on. Let me try and film this, buddy. We friends? Oh, you're beautiful. Hey. Buddy? Oh, you're beautiful. Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey. Hold on. It's not coming out. Oh. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're beautiful. Hey. Hey. Beautiful. Hey. is soaking. No, I'm out of water. I'm out of water. I'm out. Hey, hey, don't attack. Hey, don't get bitey. Hey, hey, I just gave you water. Just gave you water, buddy. Aren't you beautiful? Oh. Oh, shit.